How to use Instagram story music from playlist. To use the Instagram story music from the playlist, first of all, you have to create a playlist on your Instagram application itself. So, first of all, what you have to do is find yourself music or any music that you like. Now, simply tap on that music and tap on this bookmark icon to save it. Now, once this is saved, you should be able to find this music by simply opening your profile icon, which is located on the bottom right. From here, tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right, then access your saved options. From here, select the audio option and you should be able to find your saved audios over here. And you can also create your playlist by simply tapping on this plus icon and creating a new collection by giving the collection a name, and also you can add the peoples if you want to. Once you're done, simply tap next and your playlist can be accessed from here. Now, to add a story or specific music on your specific story, go ahead and swipe towards right from your home screen, then select any image from your gallery or just take a picture. Once you're done, go ahead and simply tap on this music icon and you should be able to find this saved option over here. Once you tap on it, if you have a audio playlist on your Instagram, you should be able to tap on it over here and you can find all your saved audios over here. Simply tap on it and once you're done, tap on this blank space and that music will be added on your story. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.